Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to install WordPress on our website. So as you can see that now if you visit to our website, you will see that the error has been changed. Now before we were getting the GoDaddy page courtesy error, and now we are getting something that index of CGI-bin and Apache. So it means that our domain is propagated to our cpanel and is up now, and we are ready to install any script on our domain. So I have already logged into our cpanel. Now to install WordPress, there are many ways to install WordPress. We are using the site software to install our WordPress. So let me open it in the tab, and now you will see that all the popular scripts or CMS you can find in the site software. Like for blogs there is B2 Evolution and WordPress. Bulletin boards like PHP BB3, PHP BB, Content Management System, Geeklog, Mambo, Nucleus, PostNuke, PHP Wiki, and so many other scripts. So we are going to install WordPress. So let's click WordPress, and here are some license terms of WordPress. So if you want to read them, read on. Now put an admin username. So I'm going to use administrator. Admin password to log into your admin panel. Okay. Email superdeals. Okay. Now the installation path. If you want to install your WordPress on this root URL, you can remove this, and if you want to install somewhere else other than this URL, like on blog, so you are installing your WordPress on this domain and after this blog, like this /blog. So we don't want to install on something other than the root URL. So I'm not going to install. I will remove this domain here. Now the blog name, reviews and deals. We can change later on the blog name and the description, but for now we are just giving, for example, blog description, best deals and reviews you can find ever. Okay, table prefix, put any alphanumeric random character here, like. Okay, now MySQL database, create a new MySQL database and click install. Okay, that says done. You can access your new add-on at reviews and deals. So let's go to our website and refresh this page. Alright, as you can see that our WordPress is installed. Now we can change the information like the theme and the page modification themes. As you can see that we also have the title and the tagline here. Reviews and deals and best deals and reviews you can find our. To access the admin panel of our WordPress, all you need to do is write the web address of our website and a backslash, after that wp login.php, and log in with the username and password you used to put at the time we installed WordPress. never for this site. Okay, so this is the admin panel of our WordPress, and we can manage the site pages, media, post, and plugin appearance, everything from this admin panel. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.